Hey legends, Clint here, and yes, I'm gonna mow my lawn. Real exciting. I recorded a video the other day. So Duffy, our videographer's on leave at the moment. He's in Queensland, probably enjoying some beautiful weather. I think he might be back now actually. Anyway, I don't even know when he gets back. As you can see in the background, the lawn's greening up a fair bit. I put some mini pill out on maybe Wednesday night, today's Sunday, and I watered it in that night pretty heavily, and we've had a bit of rain, we've had a bit of warmth. It hasn't been mowed since then, so I'm going to give it a mow now. It needs a mow, but not dramatically. And what I found with the mini pill, so I did a film putting it out, right? But I'm using this DJI Osmo, which is the camera that I use when I'm on my own, and I had it set to slow-mo. So I did this, I don't know, hour video about applying mini pill and how you do that, and the importance of, you know, not buying a piece of shit spreader like mine. And it's all slow-mo, so I don't know if he can speed it up and if the audio will be there or not. It might be cut in here somehow, but really just a simple video. I'm going to mow the lawn. I'm starting to see some weeds pop up, so we're going to probably need to apply some weed killers, and I'm probably just going to pull a lot of them out. I think that sometimes we can get a little bit crazy with chemicals, and I guess rather than being lazy, well, so let's not be lazy. I know there's something there, lazy and crazy, but let's not go crazy. Let's not be lazy. Pull your weeds out by hand. So yeah, just a quick mow, bit of an update just to show you what the lawn's looking like. At the moment the TikTok's starting to stitch together a bit better. I'm still not overly happy with it. I think plenty of people would be happy with this as their lawn, but those people don't own a fertilizer company and an irrigation shop, so I hold myself to a pretty high standard. I don't know, I think everyone's kind of always looking to better the day before, and I've talked about that in videos before. Ultimately, if your lawn looks better today than it did yesterday, then you're winning. So I don't have anything else to add this month. What are we, November? We've got Trojan, buy Trojan, you've got a 1 in 50 chance of winning a $50 note. We've got Black Friday coming up soon, so if you're looking to buy fertilizer, I would wait till then. Don't spend your money until the discounts are there. We'll have 25% off across a lot of our packs. For various reasons, it can't be 25% off everything. Some of our suppliers are a little bit less comfortable with passing on savings, and some of our suppliers are very comfortable threatening us if we do it. So you can read into that how you want. You better work it out. So there'll be a lot of packs. We'll do the best we can. Just we'll chop the shit out of it where we can, and try and make it up where we can't. So anyway, yeah, that's it. Let's see if we can start this mower in one pull. Max Kleinig. I think I left it too late in the day to show you some stripes, but let's go hunting. I think the sun's just a little bit too low. But you get the idea. It's getting nicer. those gaps up there, up in the up there where the dog was glypho pissing, are kind of disappearing. It's the sun, yeah. Anyway, that's the tiff tough today. Better than it was yesterday. So, for those of you that have known me for any period of time, this won't come as a surprise, but the unicorn has stopped engaging when I pull the lever. I don't even know what the lever's called, but you pull the lever and the blades are meant to spin. If you don't service or look after these machines, the blades don't spin. I don't service or look after these machines, my blades don't turn or spin. So yeah, I'm really sorry to Daryl and Andrew. They put so much time and effort into this, and I don't treat it like I should. So I think I might have to send it back to their workshop and give it a big hug. Yeah, maybe I have to use the Toro for a bit. But Lawns mode actually turned out better than I thought it would. I'll just give you a bit of a pan around and show you everything. Just give you an idea of where it's at. I think with a bit more sun and just regular mowing, it's going to come really good. Like I said, I put some mini peel down, and now it's just about giving it time. So yeah, any questions or comments, stick them in the comments below. Otherwise, yeah, keep it green and I'll talk to you. Starting to be like Max. Keep it green and I'll talk to you next time.